time na to nga mo luhod og kasal.
Service of Jessica.
Yes, I do.
To Jessica, Nelson and Jessica, are you both ready to raise as law-abiding citizens the children whom the divine providence will give you?
Yes, I do.
Okay? To express your intention to contract the civil matrimony, please face each other, hold each other's hands, and look each other in the eye. So I'll be asking questions, and I suppose you already know the answers, no? I'll start with you, Jessica. Do you take Nelson here present for your lawful husband according to our law?
Yes, I do.
Do you give yourself to him as his wife?
Yes, I do.
And do you accept Nelson to be your lawful living husband?
Yes, I do.
Same question for you, Nelson. Do you take Jessica here present for your lawful living wife according to our law?
Yes, I do.
Do you give yourself to her as your husband?
Yes, I do.
And do you accept Jessica to be your lawful living wife?
Yes, I do.
At this juncture, you will swear under our laws that you will be true and faithful to each other. As you say these words, just follow me, ha? We
Jessica,
Nelson and Rhoda,
take each other
take each other
as husband and wife
as husband and wife,
to hold and to have and to hold
to have and to hold
from this day forward,
from this day forward,
for better or for worse,
for better and for worse,
for richer or for poorer,
for richer and for
for
poorer,
in sickness and in health,
in sickness and in health,
to love and to cherish,
to love and to cherish,
until death do us part.
until death do us part.
Okay, we now face the court. At this point, the court will just like to know if there's anyone here, no, who is opposed to the union of Nelson and Jessica in marriage. This is your only time to register your objection. Is there anyone? There being none, we continue. You have a ring, no? Sige, diyan lang. Why do we need a ring? What's the significance of that in our celebration? When it has nothing to do with the legality, no? With or without a ring, we can proceed. But of course, by tradition, we used to observe couple exchange rings, no? Why? Well, the ring actually represents your marital relationship, because according to them, the ring kono is the best representation of marriage because it is circle, it's infinite, no? So it's close to your commitment to each other when you say that you will remain true and faithful to each other for as long as you live, until death do us part. Ba? At the same time, that ring will serve as a reminder for the both of you that you are now committed in marriage, so you're supposed to wear that all the time, no? Human as we are exposed to all sorts of temptations, so that will remind you always of your commitment. Okay, I'll start with you, Nelson. You get the ring of Jessica, and as you place that ring in the ring finger of Jessica, you say these words. Jessica,
Jessica,
wear this ring
wear this ring
as a sign of my true
as a sign of my true
and sincere love to you.
and sincere love to you.
Your answer, Jessica, should be that I accept it.
I accept.
Okay. Same thing with you, Jessica. As you place that ring in the ring finger of Nelson, you say these words. Nelson,
Nelson,
wear this ring
wear this ring
as a sign of my true
as a sign of my true
and sincere love to you.
and sincere love to you.
And your answer, Nelson, should be that I accept it.
I accept.
Ah. Next is the array or aras in our term. How many are these coins? 13? Now, why do we need an aras? Again, it has nothing to do with the validity, but it has been our culture to make that as part of our ceremony. The aras or array represents the provisions of the family. No? Since we are using coin, then it's more on the financial aspect or financial side. But understand that marriage is not just about money. Okay? You have to address everything, all your needs, like your physical, emotional, spiritual, and all those things that you need to consider in marriage. No? But again, as I say, the array is more the financial side, and you would note that in every wedding ceremony, the array would always transfer from the groom to the bride. No? What does it mean? It just means that the groom, being the head of the family, has that primary obligation to provide for the wife and the children. No? Okay. So that's why it transfers from you to the wife. Okay. I'll discuss more on that when we go that part when I share to you the family code. But in the meantime, as you give that array, another thing, why is it 13? No? As newlywed couple, your priority is really to save as much as you can. Okay? Especially that when we are new to that relationship, we don't know what lies ahead. So you might as well be ready about it, not only in physically or emotionally, but financially also. So you don't just save for what is enough for you to survive every day. No? 1 year is just 12 months. So you don't just save for 12 months. Otherwise, there are things come in your way that really require you to spend more, then you have nothing to get. Maling kakitihin, no? Atama, atapa. You are now independent, so you have to stand on your own. You save as much as you can. So by that, at least save for 13 months, no? Okay, kung na yung mga Korean, we have something to get from. Okay, manang inyong mga 13-month pay ko, no? Nelson, Jessica, maangin po rin, no? Joke kidding aside. Mo na yung purpose nga ng 13. Just to be sure that you are financially secure, no? Especially that you are new in this relationship, marital relationship. Sige, as you give that array, Nelson, to Jessica, you say this word. Jessica, I give you this array as a pledge of my dedication to your welfare. Your answer, Jessica, should be that I accept them. Okay. We're almost done. And again, as I said, let me share to you things about marriage on the legal side. Since you are before me, we don't talk about Bible. Huh? We don't get blessings from me. It's from the minister or a priest. No? At least on the legal side, I can tell you that we have the family code of the Philippines. If you have questions about marriage, you can always consult the family code. Mabati, manindot na as family code. Support, custody, family home, legal separation, annulment, sa panadya, you can find them in family code. But I hope that when you consult the family code, just on the right side of it. Now,
Ganahan mo dito sa ubos na. Sa ubos, bigas na kasi mapaw.
Pwede lang. Te, alin mo?
pwede na silang tulo niya, kamo dito sa ubos.
Ay, lang mo na.
Kanay. Sila sa
Pwede, ari lang dire.
Oh, pwede.
Ari lang makay. Yung ay mo dire mo.
Dili ra.
Dire lang.
Ah, kana.
Dire mo sa tabangan naman mo matalikdan. Dire mo.
Pakita ka man nila ang beauty sa imabaw. Sige. Ari sulod. Sige pa mo. Closer pa. Makita naman sila sa taas.
1, 2, 3.
Oh.
Wala ko flash na. 1, 2, 3.
Sige, kung tanan. Suod naman ko first man. Suod na.
Na.
Pwede mo patong dito sa Ever. Kita na anak.
Ayun.
1, 2, 3. At least ang buhok ni Papa. Alright. 1, 2, 3. Last. Sorry. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Thank you.
Kumana ko silang duha na day.
Dili pareha ang dito.
Ha?
Dili pareha ang dito sa
Ay, nako, ano man ni. Daot. Ato ta atong gibarugan kanina day. Ato ta maghuwat og taxi dito. Gibarugan ato no kay.
Pero bagay ko kanang nagkasal nila wala si Senator Bongo. No.
Ate, dito magbarog ba?
Bag.
Kabi race ni kay
Ay, sorry ma. Hi guys.
Nga kupolo kapag ang kasal ni sila. Ya, ama mo ang commander.
Dito parking dahil.
Ato mo dito kay ka parking dito.
Ay, tati ko picture. Ato na sa lagdang.
Nil. So lami kay what pa ko sa anak ko. Ato mo. Oh.
Daghali kang first go. Taysa, ilan sa mo si
Anda dahil ko lang.
Dr. Anda.
Anda do.
Mangho ni Jessica. Bapa ko magkawa ko. Alam mo ka kita yung grupo mo ay sa patay yung tamay ko sa Jessica. Yo! Ano man? Kaysa wait lang tangan di ko daan ka. Kaysa ba? Kung ano man isa, baka yung magkaon ba? Baka yung kaon. Alam ko, ayos ka ayo. Kaysa, ayos na, napatay ng activities. Go! Unsa dito ba ito lang yun? Kaysa, pero ganahan niya, kanang imuhang ka na, kana ba? Kani siya, Carter, imo na ipasuot sa diri sa legs ni Alda. Unya, tapos magsayang sa dugo. Hala, magaling tawag yun, Ari. Magaling tawag, nagpapasulit mo ano niya, magkilainan mo ha. So, Alda, if you, Tagpilyo. Pwede mo magpilyo? Pascual? Ay, ha? Uy, dito ang dito yan. Mga insik. Ay, Diyos ko, Lord. Naku, ay, tanawa ko ang daw. Uy, basa ko na. Uy, kung mga tanaw ko, may ko dayan. Ha? Wala, ay, kikisa daw ko na siya. Sige lang, safe ka daw, safe ka. Ang imo buhatan daw, seryoso ko niya, ang imo buhatan daw. Kan iyan ako ng imo na ipasunod, use with your tongue. Use with your mouth. Yan ang imo pasunod, ha? Kaya bakit from here, hindi tayo nakapatulong yan ba?
Yara.
Ten. Ano ha? Game, sige, Jerry. Di ako tulong. Asa niya, di kaya? Kaya magano ninyo